Hey guys, thanks for checking out our classic meal plan. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what you get in the box with our classic meal plan, as well as give you some examples of what the meals look like in the package and on the plate. The classic meal plan is really designed around what it sounds like, classic meal prep. Meal prep from back in the day, the 60s and 70s, when Arnold Schwarzenegger was winning the Olympia and meal prep really first became popular. Examples of a classic meal prep meal in this case are salmon, brown rice, and mixed vegetables. Almost all of the classic meals will be composed of a protein, a carbohydrate, and some sort of vegetable. It'll also include the nutrition facts of all of the calories in this particular meal, as well as the macronutrient breakdown, the cooking instructions, and all of the ingredients that are in the classic meal. Just like all of our other meal plans, the food shows up fully cooked directly to your door. And the big difference with the classic meal plan is because we only make a limited number of these meals, you can actually select the exact meal you want. A lot of bodybuilders like eating chicken, broccoli, and rice again and again and again. And in this case, if that's what you want to do, we can ship you chicken, broccoli, and rice every week. All of the containers come fully vacuum sealed, just like our other meal plans. And the trays themselves are 100% food safe and recyclable. They also have micro perforations that allow the food to steam in the container if you do decide to microwave it. Other cooking options are you can heat it up on the skillet, which is what I personally prefer, or you can throw it in the oven or toaster oven. Because the food is already fully cooked, it only takes a couple minutes to reheat it. In addition to that, the classic meal plan tends to be a good fit for people who are trying to lose weight because it's going to be a very low calorie meal plan, as well as people like my wife who like to really customize each meal to their liking. So if you like using your own sauces or a big hot sauce junkie, the classic meal plan may be the right one for you. In addition to that, I've got an example of a plated classic meal plan. In this case, we're looking at a flat iron steak, brown rice, and mixed vegetables. All of the proteins come in 4-ounce quantities when they're fully cooked, and don't confuse that with 4 ounces of uncooked meat in your grocery store. The major difference with the classic meal plan is going to be the simplicity of it. It's also a much lower cost meal plan, so most of the meals are $9.99 or less. All of our food, including the classic meal plan, is 100% USDA organic, gluten, dairy, and soy-free, as well as wild-caught and grass-fed, and animal welfare level 5 for the proteins. Animal welfare level 5 means the animals lived on the same farm their entire lives. They had indoor-outdoor access. They got to hang out and play with other animals, and it's really essentially the exact opposite of factory farming. In addition to that, the wild-caught and grass-fed certifications allow us to know that our proteins are the highest quality. They have the best protein to fat ratio available on the market. And of the fat that does come in all proteins, we know the grass-fed and wild-caught is actually higher in omega-3s than omega-6s. The ingredients we source are the highest quality available we can find on the market, and all of the food is shipped fresh and never frozen directly to your door. If you want to see a full unboxing, we have an example video of that below. And if you have any additional questions about our classic meal plan, feel free to reach out to customer service via phone, email, chat, or social media. Lastly, just like all of our meal plans, you can order the classic meal plan once a week, every other week, every 3 weeks, or even once a month. Lots of options for you guys to choose from, and thanks for checking out the classic meal plan.